guys, I'm back. Thought I'd do a quick update video for you guys. I know I've been posting a lot on Instagram, but I haven't posted on this channel in a while. Thought I'd just try to do that. Also got some important announcements later on. So, the wagon, where we're at, where I'm going, my timetables, my trials and tribulations, my struggles. It's fun. So bad at this. I haven't done this in forever. Anyway, here we are. This is where I'm at. I've done a lot of work on it. I'm going to do a lot more work on it. I have set myself a deadline and I'm going to keep it. So, here we go. All right. Fuck, the lens is dirty. Sorry, guys. All right, here we go. So, let me move this out of the way real quick. Take a drink of coffee. Shout out to my boy Kyle Voss. He was one of my very first inspirations. I'm gonna link to his site below. He hasn't been posting much lately, but he's a busy guy. Really awesome dude. Hope to meet him in life, real life someday. Anyway, here we are. The wagon. So I got the front end put together. I got the lights on. I got marker lights on. I've been doing a lot of wiring stuff, so I got the whole front end wired. I have the front suspension done except for coilovers. I don't have any shocks yet, but everything's done in front suspension. Steering is pretty much done. I need to get a bearing for the steering shaft because it's a little wonky. And today I'm going to do brakes, so I'm going to do the front brakes today. Wiring is, I'm going to jump around here a little bit. So the front wiring harness is done, and what I've done is I've put plugs on it so that I can actually disconnect the whole front end, pull it off because it's easier to put the engine, the motor in and out with the front end off. Working on flares for the fenders. Those are just kind of like stuck there for now, mocked up, kind of see what's going on. Real exciting news that I did finish just yesterday is I got the passenger seat in, which is really exciting for me. Dash is kind of painted. These are the accessories, just the frame of the dash, and then these little front panels for it. The actual dash pad I'm working on. It's back here. I'm trying to fill the cracks in it, stuff like that. Let's see. Dash pieces in like that. My pedals are there. Let's go around to the other side over here and take a closer look at this nice passenger seat. Now these seats are actually out of a 350Z that I bought for cheap. I think I bought them for like 150 bucks or something for the pair. They're in really good shape. I just have these kind of cheap covers over them to kind of protect them, but they're actually both are in really good shape. This is actually the driver's seat and that's the passenger seat and I did it that way because they fit better. I have, hang on a second, get some light over here. All right, so here, let's sit down in this puppy. All right, wiring. So I got a lot of wiring done. It's kind of a mess because I have it all wrapped up because I was welding on the seats and I had a welding blanket over it. But this is kind of the situation here. I got a lot of relays because I want to relay all the really important things. A couple things I'm not relaying, like the turn signals, parking lights, that kind of things. Really low power stuff that doesn't need to be relayed, in my opinion. This is the relay and fuse panel for the Phytech, and of course I'm using for engine management Phytech Ultimate LS. Is that like really blinding? Yes, here we go. Phytech Ultimate LS fuel injection system. Hoping it'll work pretty good. Got some more stuff. I got my little center console just set in here just for mock-up purposes. But yeah, got my switch panel up there for the start button, main switch, you know, that kind of stuff. So yeah, right now I'm going to basically do a light show. Yow, that's bright as heck. on serious light. So far that's it on the build. I'm kind of caught up. Right now I need to, like I said, do the brakes, the front brakes. I need to do some wiring stuff, but I don't want to finalize the wiring until I rebuild the engine and get that set in place. This is the harness for the Phytech. It's coming through there. I need to get a grommet in there. So I got to pull all that stuff out and to get the grommet in. And right now I'm just trying to be smart about how I do things. So I'm not wasting time, because I have to get this project finished in the next couple of months. I have a lot of other things going on. Anyway, I will continue to try to make videos. If you want to follow the build, I do a lot more on Instagram at MotoGeekster. It's MotoGeekster on Instagram. I also have a Facebook page, MotoGeekster Creations. You can follow me there. I might do some live streaming, because I've discovered with the updates in this GoPro, I can do live streaming on it. So I might try that. I'll let you guys know. The one thing I do have that's new is I have merch, and I just posted on Instagram about it, but I want to tell you guys too. I have a couple of shirts. I'll put pictures of them somewhere in this video. So I'm selling some merch to help support the build. All the proceeds from the merch is going to go straight back into the build. I have a couple of shirts right now. I think I'm going to probably put some stickers. I have some stickers I'll put on my Etsy store. But anyway, my Etsy store, the link is in, I'll put the link down below somewhere for my Etsy store. And if you guys want to go buy some merch and support me, that'd be awesome. If not, at least please subscribe to this channel. Please share it. Please leave a like. Do all that kind of stuff. And just follow along, because even if I don't do another video in another 2 or 3 months, I will do another video. That's guaranteed. And it'll be an update video, it'll be a progress video, or it'll be a first drive video. That's it for now. See you later.